Bro, are you having a hard time getting through to your wife?
I'm not talking to you ever again.
Need help in understanding her emotions?
I'm not being sensitive. You just don't understand me.
Think you can win her over with your logic?
You think that you're always right, and you don't want to listen to what I have to say.
Women respond differently to men, especially in conflict. A lot of the time, we are fighting against her feminine energy rather than embracing it.
When you support her feminine side instead of working against it, she respects your masculine traits and will hear you out and be more willing to do what you say.
I found that during conflict, my wife needed me to reassure her that I loved her and was looking out for her best interests.
When she feels heard and loved, she'll respond more positively to your requests.
Men often don't want to go to counseling, but coaching is different. It's not about complaining, it's about identifying the issues and coming up with solutions that work. Let's team up and win this together.